What if you could turn a single sentence into this? No designer, no software, no time wasted, just magic. Let me show you the future of design with MolyPix.AI. Creating professional-looking designs usually means two things: hiring expensive designers or wasting hours using complicated tools. And even when you try AI image generators, they give you static pictures you can't even edit. Sound familiar? Introducing the solution. Introducing MolyPix.AI, the game-changing AI tool that turns your ideas into editable, brand-ready designs with just one prompt. Think of it as your personal design team, on demand, 24/7. How MolyPix.AI works. Step 1. Describe your idea in one sentence. Step 2. MolyPix generates a fully layered, editable design. Step 3. Customize anything: text, colors, layout, even upload your own logo. You're in control. No design skills needed. Real-world use cases. Whether you're launching a product, promoting an event, or posting on social media, MolyPix has AI-powered templates for everything. Posters, LinkedIn graphics, wedding invites, Instagram carousels, you name it. Editable layers, not just flat images. Brand kit, stay on brand every time. Uses GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, and more. Real AI design, not just clip art. Price and lifetime deal. And the best part? You can grab lifetime access to MolyPix.AI for just $69. That's 47% off the regular $131. One payment, lifetime value, no subscriptions. Unlike other tools, MolyPix isn't just about AI art. It's about usable, editable designs that grow your brand and save you hours every week. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need Canva Pro. Just MolyPix. Final thoughts, and MolyPix.AI is a total game changer for creators, marketers, and small businesses. So if you're ready to save time, money, and design like a pro, click the link below to get your lifetime deal before it's gone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite feature below.